Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to make your Wix website look great on all screen sizes. So make sure to stick around till the very end and I will guide you through the simple steps to ensure your Wix website looks amazing, no matter the device. So firstly, open your Wix website. In here, you can see that everything is visible on the screen, in the header, and details of all the sections. However, when we view on a smaller screen size, then most of the elements will disappear. Now as you can see, on my Wix website, I hold some images and backgrounds and it is set up as a single page website. Now click on the preview option at the top right side to check out the preview mode. So this is the appearance in preview mode. Now, let us take a look at this website on a smaller screen size. So, this is how it looks on the smaller screen. Now, as you can see, most of the images are cut off at the border. Let us see how you can make this website appear well on all screen sizes. The first thing you need to do is zoom out. As you can see, two lines enclose the website. However, the rule is that anything you want people to see on any screen size should be between these two lines. So, bring them between the lines you need to drag your text in between these lines. Just click on the text that you want to move and drag it wherever you want. This will ensure that whether your screen is wide or narrow. After that, you need to adjust all the images and backgrounds. Just click on it and adjust as needed. Also, drag and adjust the related elements. Once you are done making all the necessary changes, go to the preview mode and check the website. That is how it will appear for now. As you can see, almost everything is in view. After that, go back to the editor. And now, here you can change strip background. You can set an image, video, or even you can choose the color that you want. Now adjust the strip background so that it is not on the top of other elements. Drag and adjust it as needed. Once done, scroll down. And now, select the layout to arrange the images. Wix Pro Gallery offers a variety of templates that you can choose and use. Next, you need to organize the elements and images into these two columns. After that, you need to drag your text, because anything that is placed between the columns will show up on any screen size, and anything that is on the far side of the columns will only be visible on a broader screen. Once you are done with this, scroll upwards and click on the plus icon at the top left side. Here you can add elements, either images or buttons or whatever you want. For example, click on the payments left column. Now, select the Pay Now button. You can add whatever form you want. Click on Contact and Forms and select Contact Form and then drag to arrange it. Once done, adjust it on your screen. Furthermore, you can also check your mobile view through here. You can arrange the elements in some way so that they are spaced out on a wider screen and keep away from hiding on smaller screen sizes. Now, let us take a preview of the website and it looks great. This is how you can make your Wix website look great on any screen size. If people can't see certain content or can't access important buttons, then it will give an unprofessional impression. So we should always focus on screen adjustments while making a website. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.